Learn the 3,000 most common words through stories.
In this video, we will learn these words for practice. Abandon, ability, able, about, above, abroad, absolute, absolutely, academic, accept.
The student who did not abandon his dream. Leo was an academic student who cared deeply about his future. Every day, he thought about his goals and the kind of life he wanted to build. He often read books about successful people and imagined himself studying abroad at a famous university. However, there was always one problem in his mind. He did not fully believe in his own ability.
Leo was able to understand difficult subjects, and his teachers often noticed his potential. Still, he always felt unsure. He worried about making mistakes and often thought too much about what could go wrong. Because of this, he sometimes wanted to abandon his efforts before even trying.
One day, his teacher gave an important academic project. It was not a simple task. The project required creativity, research, and strong thinking skills. Leo looked at the instructions for a long time. He felt nervous and unsure about how to begin. The idea of failure stayed in his mind, and he slowly started to lose confidence. As the days passed, Leo avoided working on the project. Instead of starting, he spent his time thinking about other things. One evening, while he was sitting alone, Leo began to think more seriously about his future. He remembered his dream of going abroad. He imagined himself studying in a different country, learning new things, and building a better life. This dream meant everything to him. It was not just an idea. It was his goal. At that moment, Leo understood something important. If he decided to abandon this project, he might also abandon his dream. That thought made him uncomfortable. He realized that his fear was controlling his actions. Slowly, Leo opened his books and started working. At first, it was difficult. He made mistakes and did not feel confident. However, he continued. He focused on one small part of the project at a time. With each step, he started to understand more. After a few hours, something changed. Leo began to feel more comfortable. His ideas became clearer, and his work improved. He was still not perfect, but he was making progress. This progress gave him a new feeling: confidence. Over the next few days, Leo worked consistently. He read academic sources, took notes, and organized his ideas carefully. He no longer thought about giving up. Instead, he focused on improving his work step by step. When the day of submission arrived, Leo felt nervous again. However, this time, it was different. His nervousness was not about fear. It was about hope. He knew that he had done his best. The teacher reviewed his project carefully. The work was strong, clear, and creative. It was above the expected level for a student like Leo. His effort and dedication were easy to see. Later that week, Leo received important news. He was accepted into a program abroad. This was not just a small success. It was a major step toward his future. For a moment, Leo could not believe it. He thought about everything he had experienced, the doubt, the fear, and the moment when he almost decided to abandon his work. If he had stopped, this opportunity would not exist. Looking up at the sky above, Leo felt proud. He finally understood that ability is not something fixed. It grows with effort, patience, and belief. From that day on, Leo changed the way he thought about challenges. He no longer focused only on fear. Instead, he focused on action. He learned that success is not absolute, but effort always creates progress.
In the end, Leo realized something simple but powerful. Sometimes, the most important decision in life is not about being perfect. It is about choosing not to abandon your path.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.